In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can start an audio call quickly and confidently. First, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser by going to the official Teams site or launch the desktop app if you already have it installed. If you're prompted, sign in with your work or school account. A quick tip before you begin. Make sure your microphone and speakers or headset are connected and close any apps that might be using your mic to avoid conflicts. Once Teams is open, look along the left-hand side of the screen for the chat area. It's usually labeled chat and often shows a small speech bubble icon. If your window is narrow, you might need to expand the sidebar to see it. Click chat to open your list of recent conversations. Now choose the conversation you want to call. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Clicking the conversation loads it on the right side of the screen. If you see multiple names in the header, that means you're in a group and an audio call will ring everyone in that chat. Make sure you've selected the correct conversation before placing the call. With the chat open, look to the top right corner of the chat header. You'll see a set of icons. The camera icon starts a video call and the telephone icon is what we want for audio. Hovering over it should show audio call, and this is your quick shortcut to start a call without turning on your camera. Click the telephone icon to begin your audio call. If you're using a browser, you may see a prompt asking to allow microphone access. Choose Allow so the other person can hear you. Teams will start ringing the contact and you'll see a call window with basic controls. During the call, check the bottom call bar. You can mute and unmute your microphone, open device settings to switch to a different mic or speaker, and adjust your computer's volume if needed. If you decide you'd rather switch to video, the camera icon is right there in the call controls. When you're finished, click the red hang up button to end the call. If you don't see the telephone icon or it's grayed out, make sure you're inside a chat and not just the main chat list. Also confirm you've allowed mic access in your browser and that your organization permits audio calls in Teams. That's it. You've learned how to navigate to chat, pick the right conversation, find the phone icon, and start an audio call in Microsoft Teams.